Welcome to Nathan's Kitchen. This is the book we're doing, and my assistant's right here.
Hi.
Come, they can't see you.
Hi, I'm Nana.
She's my stylist. She's 2 years old. 3 years old. 3 years old.
16.
And I'm
Okay.
saying we're doing this. We're doing this page. Chicken noodle soup. Noodle soup.
Noodle soup. Yummy, my tummy.
I'm gonna move. So if something happens, Brenna, move. I don't want you to get cut.
Here you go.
So we're gonna be cutting some carrots.
You just built it, Nathan. You love that. Can I take pizza of it?
And more.
I saw you doing. I just want to say pizza of it.
Okay, that's too big. I better cut this. Yep. Oh! Better get it.
One for you. One for you.
I stitch.
I like pizza. Well, tell you something. I'll fold in. What you like, Mom? What you like or favorite movie?
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna
Asa?
cut the celery now.
Okay.
Whatever this thing is called.
I'm so funny. Oh, I'm so funny.
Okay, look at that smeller. Brianna, can you move a little bit?
Okay, I'm
Assistant, stop eating the carrots. Oh, that's a bad idea. Is it good?
No. Yes.
Yes, no. Brianna, you're disgusting. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
How can you say it's pretty good when you spit it out and put it in the sink?
Oh, it's so funny doing.
And subscribe to my channel.
Daddy, and I am Mommy,
Kid.
Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Don't call me dad. Because I'm not your dad. I'm your brother.
Okay, Mommy.
Don't call me mommy. You're not your mommy. I'm your brother.
Mommy, Daddy.
I think we have to cut more of this.
Because
That's too
Mommy
big.
like this
He
one.
do not like. He only likes carrots. You know, rabbits only like carrots for you.
Yes.
It's getting kind of easy.
I like. Look,
So easy.
I carrot. Oh, I yeah.
Why don't you like broccoli? I've seen you eat broccoli so many times.
Oops. You want to trade?
You're not even standing on a stool. You're standing on a stool because you're just. Guess we have to cut more of this. Yep.
Mommy,
I just cut my fingers off. So.
you cut your finger.
Yep. I did not cut my finger.
I see.
Okay, guys. This is what you can see when I put the goggles on.
Also helps to unplug our nose and
Take
soothe
it off now. And then we'll boil the meat. so we'll put the meat in. It's very hot. I already tried opening the video, so we have to do something. So, guys, we're just gonna leave it there until it's soft. We'll wait 20 or 15 to 20 minutes. So we will fast forward it. So it won't be boring. You just sit there like. I just have to put a little bit more salt. Probably this much. Yeah, that's enough. A little bit more. This much is perfect. That's enough, guys. So keep on fast forwarding it. Bye. That's heavy. I think we have to put the noodles now and taste it. Okay. It's really good, guys. It's really good. So we're gonna put some noodles now. Look at this. Yummy noodles. Okay, we're gonna dump it in. Now we have to mix it. We're just checking if the noodles are soft. Mommy. Are they soft? Yep, they're soft. So put them into a bowl now. We're just gonna be getting some stuff, and because the noodles are ready, I'm gonna eat some. Okay. Okay. It's so good, guys. Try this at home. 4D chef. 8:15. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. Bye. Wait, Brianna, assistant, come here. 1 minute, guys. Okay, I'm coming, guys. Okay, this is my little sister. She's my assistant. Say bye, Brie.
Bye.
Bye.
I want to kiss you.
Bye.
And I want to hug you.
See ya. Let's go, Brie.
Bye.
Bye. Yep. And let's take this bowl. See ya.